Hey guys, Michael Boese here from west suburb of Chicago. So up here in Illinois, where we're having a thunderstorm roll through right now. So good times. Hopefully I don't lose power. Damon, Diego, I got to tell you, you guys really bring the energy to this. It's just awesome. Really looking forward to learning more about the business side of things with Damon, but then the marketing things as well. Um, this is a great experience to be here. So looking forward to learning more. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys. Michael Boese here again. Diego, it's Boese. I guess that's the way it's pronounced in the American language. But if it was in German, it's actually a B with an umlaut or the two dots over the O, and it's pronounced Boese, which roughly translates angry or mad, or it's even used for the word evil. So if I were to ever get my doctorate, I could become Dr. Evil. Huh? Anyway, sorry. You're the one with the jokes, not me. So, day two, tell you what, this has been some awesome information. Diego's just hitting it on the head. And really, as far as the marketing side of things, really looking at the dynamics between what gets remembered and what doesn't. And I think that's really what's kind of sticking with me right now is learning how to find those hot button emotional topics that draw your future client, your prospect out to get them again out of alpha into beta and starting to think about, what is it that you do that is going to help me? Oh, I have been thinking about this. I have a problem with that. And without thinking about advertising and marketing in that particular way, you definitely would get stuck in the platitudes. Hey, our company does this. Look at this. This is cool. And you'd lose 90%, if not more, of your market because you're not addressing any concerns that they have. You're not solving their problems. So, fantastic information here with Diego in this marketing segment. So, really glad about being able to experience it, live firsthand here through the webinar. It's been fantastic. So, still got two more components to go. And then I know we'll be talking with Damon here today too. So looking forward to that, seeing, getting more information about starting my own drone services business and how to succeed. And you guys have really pumped me up and it's been great. So keep it up. Looking forward to another day and a half. And then we'll hit the ground running. Thanks, guys.